I think there will never be any compromise on land at all. But for negotiations, we are ready for negotiations. We didn't just skip the negotiations from our mind. We are ready for negotiations to return back our territory. No problem with that.
But negotiations mean one side gives a little of this, the other side gives a little of that.
What are we going to give? Taba is our territory. It has been occupied in 1956. You remember that, during this aggression. And it was returned back to us. Then after the 1967 war, aggression, it was occupied again. Why not we return it back again? What are we going to give instead?
Could there be something the Israelis could give you in exchange for Taba, some concession that you want?
Can you make an exchange of one of your children? Could you do it? Thank you.
Thank you.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G. Snoop Dogg.